Chiki art! Hey kids, guess what? We're going to draw a dinosaur today. That's right. Ooh, let's start with the eyes. 2 small circles, 2 little arch eyebrows, a gorgeous bobbly hat. Now for the main body. And the legs and the neck. Feet, tummy. There. Bit of detail. That's right. Good job. And some stripes on the hat. Rosy cheeks, smiley mouth, nostrils. And you can't have a party without balloons, because I think it's this dino's birthday today. Fantastic! There. A little bit of flowery detail. Wow, what would you like to put on your dinosaur? Maybe some hearts, maybe some stars. Right, let's paint. Gold first, for the bubble on our hat. And now we're going to do the stripes, multicoloured of course. I do love his party hat. Red tongue. Turquoise for the last stripe. Now let's go for some pink rosy cheeks. And flowers. There. Green next for the main body. Do you know much about dinosaurs? Can you think of any dinosaur names? How about T-Rex? How about Stegosaurus? Brachiosaurus? Can you think of any others? Pterodactyl? There were flying dinosaurs, swimming dinosaurs, walking dinosaurs, meat-eating dinosaurs, leaf-eating dinosaurs, just so many different types. There. Gold tummy. And brown toes. We'll do yellow for the centre of our flowers. Right, time to colour our balloons, starting with red. Ooh, lovely. And yellow. What colour shall we do our third balloon? How about purple? What a great colour. And done. And turquoise just for the finishing touches. Voila! You have one beautiful, party-tastic baby dinosaur. Aww. Hey kids, how are you today? Would you like to draw and paint a sparkly squirrel with me? You would? Brilliant! We'll start by using a black pen to draw the outline. We're going to do a foot, and the leg, the arm, fingers, tummy. Squirrel's holding a nut, so we draw that too. The other foot. Facial features, the eye, nose and mouth. The other ear. And finally, a big bushy tail. That's right, we've got to have a big bushy tail on a squirrel. Curvy lines. And done! Brilliant! Time to paint. Let's go with yellow first of all. We're going to paint our squirrel lovely and yellow. Look at that. I do say, Mr. Squirrel, it looks fantastic with your blue eyes. Carefully painting with a small tipped paintbrush in between the black boundary lines. Painting the main body, so that's the face, the ears, the arms, the back, the legs. And, of course, the feet. You're doing really well, keep going, almost there. going for gold. The inside of the ear, around the mouth, and of course, the nut. Let's do the tummy the same colour too. Excellent. Going for black this time. We're going to paint the nose. And then brown for the nutshell. Time for a colourful tail, starting with pink for the first segment. Our squirrel has a lovely stripy tail. Yes, what next? How about purple? I love purple. And purple and pink are like brother and sister, you know. They just go so well together. And done! Last but not least, we're going for bright green because it's really good to have some contrast, don't you think? Excellent! Well done, kids! You did a great job! Go on, go along and eat that nut. Yummy! Roar! I am a tiger! Wanna draw and paint me? Yay! Let's start with the outline using a black pen. We're doing from the front foot up the leg to the face and the ears, the back and the tail, and then down. Let's start the legs from the back, leaving some spaces for the claws on the paws. And now we're adding the claws in, doing different sized claws to show perspective. Brilliant. Now for some finishing touches. Separating the feet from the leg, the belly, and the facial features. Now we're going to do our tiger stripes. 3 on each side of the face, and then along the back, and the tail. Lots of triangles to make our stripes. Some whiskers, don't forget it's a big cat. Right, ready to paint. Starting with black, we're going to do all of the stripes or triangle shapes and the nose. Nice and easy. A dab of paint on each. There, going for gold. We're going to do the main body of the tiger gold. Carefully painting in between the stripes, of course, and around the other facial features and the ears. Brilliant, well done. We're just leaving the nose area white, leaving the tummy as well. Leaving the feet as well. Then the rest of the back. And if you want, you can use pens or crayons or even pencils. It's all up to you. There, ready for some yellow for the inner ears and the nose where the mouth is too, and the belly. So it's like a paler shade for those parts. We'll do the feet as well. Not the claws, but the paws. Wow, this tiger is looking really cool. That's it. Right, last but not least, we'll do brown claws. Little dab. 1, 2, 3, and we're done. Excellent. Well done, kids. You did a fantastic job. Rawr. Hey, kids, how would you like to draw and paint a cute little bunny? You would? Brilliant! Let's do the ears first. Long oval shapes. Then the head is a circle. Little tuft of hair. Circular eyes with some eyelashes, of course, 3 on each side. The patches, the nose, the mouth. Now for the body. Arms, tummy, tail and feet, and the pads underneath. Perfect! Darkening up the border. And ready to paint, yay! Going for a lovely pink colour for the inner ear. A cute pink and grey bunny. Ah, grey on the outside. I love these 2 colours together, they look awesome. Now a light grey or silver. The centre of the face there, carefully going around the little nose and the mouth. That's it. Going for the dark grey again. On either side, going around the eyes. Gorgeous. That's it. And done. Now pink for the tongue. And a little brown nose. Back to the light grey silver colour. We're going to do the body with the arms. Either side, leaving out the middle of the paws and the tummy. Then we're going back to pink for the tummy to match the inner ears. I love this baby pink colour, don't you? And the bottom of the feet the same. Dark grey. And the tail. And we are done! There you go! How super easy was that? And how super cute! I would love to have a bunny, wouldn't you? Hey kids! Do you fancy drawing and painting a sparkly fox with me? You do? Brilliant! Let's start by doing a little bow in her hair. Outline of the head. The eyes and nose and other facial features. And the ears, they're kind of triangles, circle eyes, some eyelashes. If you want, you can pause this video and just copy it bit at a time. We're doing the paws and legs, a sort of round body and the back feet with the tummy. And the tail, let's not forget the tail. Darkening up the border. There you go. So it's pretty easy to draw a fox. Like I said, just pause the video and do it a bit at a time. Ready to paint. We're going for a pink for the hair bow. Same colour on each side. Lovely. How about green in the middle? And a bronze colour for the outside of the ears and the main part of the fox. It's kind of bronze or sparkly orange, if you like. There we go. Excellent. Let's go for a pale yellow, goldy tint. It's going to go on the inner ear and the inside of the face around the facial features. Very carefully painting around those eyes and cheeks and nose and mouth. Excellent. The other ear too. Super cute. Pink for the cheeks. Black nose and a red tongue. Let's go back to our pale gold colour for the end of the tail and the tummy. And I think we'll go back to our bronzy orange for the rest. That's it. It's super easy. You don't need too many different colours. Just the colour of a fox. Take your time and Bob's your uncle. Should we give our fox a name? What name should we give her? How about Fiona the fox? No? Okay, how about Felicity Fox? Well, whatever she's called, she's absolutely gorgeous. Well done, kids. You did a great job.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!